How to fix link preview not showing on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys if the link preview is not being shown on your WhatsApp. The first thing you have to do is go to whatsapp.com, and if you have sent any link here and the preview is not being shown, then in that case, you need to change a setting. As you can see, this person here has shared a YouTube video and the link preview is being shown. So if I just tap on the video, it will start playing right away. Now to change the settings, you just head over to the top right and then go to settings, go to privacy, and now you will have an option, something called link preview here. So scroll down and you can go to the advanced features. Then you'll see an option called disable link previews. So if you disable this, it will help you protect IP address from being inferred by third-party websites, and preview for the links you share on the chat will no longer be generated. So let me just go to youtube.com and copy a video link. So I'll just tap on the first video I see here. So let me just copy this link, tap on share, and then tap on copy link. Now if I go back to my WhatsApp and then to my chat, let's just open this chat here, paste the link. As you can see here, the link preview is not being shown. So if I just send this link, it will only be sent as a link and the preview won't be shown. But if I just go ahead and turn off that option where it says disable link preview, then I'm able to send the link preview here. So let me just disable this, go back to the same chat, and I'm going to paste the same link right here. And as you can see here, the link preview is being generated. So let's just send it here and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.